Alright guys, mag-backtest tayo ng ating robot. So this is a support and resistance using the 1 month data from July 1 to July 31, 2026. So using the $100 na deposit natin for backtest, and then let us click the start. Ayan. And then, magbabaktest tayo ngayon. As you can see, yung ating robot is working. And from $100 na testing, it becomes 200 to like this one. Don't stop. Alright. So, kasama ko ngayon si Hana. And, no. Alright, so it is a 1 month data from July 1 to July 31, 2026. And from the initial balance of $100 at the end of the backtest, it becomes $262. So more than 100% yung return. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and this is the result. So, from $100, nag-gain tayo ng 162. Right? So, that's for 1 month na data or backtest. Pero yung backtest result is not guaranteed for future profits, no? Tinest lang natin yung ating AEA or the expert advisor kung gagana siya or mag-survive siya in $100. Alright, so thank you for watching.